Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Alex. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
That's great, my dear.
Good morning, my son.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Come to the kitchen. Breakfast is ready.
Yay! I'm hungry.
Let's go together.
Wow, this looks very tasty.
Yes, it's your favorite breakfast. Let's eat together.
Yes, family time is special. I love this.
Let's eat together.
Yes, family time is special.
I love this.
Alex, do you want milk or juice?
I want milk, please.
Alex, it is time to study.
Okay, Dad. I will study English today.
That's very good. Practice every day.
Okay, Mom. I will practice. This is a cat. That is a dog.
Very good, Alex.
Let's go to the park! Yay!
I love the park. Take your shoes and let's go.
Look, Dad. I can run fast.
Yes, you are very fast.
Be careful, Alex.
Okay, Mom. It's time for dinner. I am very hungry.
Wash your hands first.
Yes, Dad. Mom, I am sleepy.
Okay, it is time for bed.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Dad.
Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. Good night.